channel. So today I'm just going to do a video on my 2018 Chevy Colorado. So I just want to, I don't know, change a few things just to make the truck look a little different. Anyway, I'm not going to do anything extreme, but today what I want to do is I want to plastic dip the front bow tie and the Z71 emblem. I just want to see how it holds up. Okay, so very important, you want to clean whatever you're going to plastic dip, you want to clean it real good and then go over with alcohol. I clean this up real good, and you got to shake the can real good for, I don't know, a few minutes anyway. And apparently the first coat you want to put on light and then follow it up with heavier coats. You want 3, 4, or 5 coats. Apparently the more coats you have, the easier it is to remove it if you want to. Okay, so we just do a test here. I'm just going to go a light coat. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes. We're going to give it the second coat. Okay, so we waited about 20 minutes. We're going to put a third coat on. Okay, I got that front badge, got it all taped up around. Apparently you want to leave a little bit of an edge here so you can peel it off. I don't have much of an edge on this because there's not, it's open drill. But anyway, we'll give her a try. We're going to give her the first coat. Just went on nice and light, and we'll let that dry. Okay, so we're going to go for the second coat on this. I'm still waiting for the third coat to dry on the bow tie. I may get it on a little too thick, and then we'll go a little thicker on this one. Okay, so I'm going to go for a third coat. I'm just going to spray a little there. Okay, so it's been about 3.5 hours. I let it set up good. So we're going to try peeling the tape and stuff off here now. This top piece, you should be able to peel that off. Okay, so here's the bow tie, and it turned out pretty much perfect in my opinion. There's no runs, it's just a nice smooth finish. So it turned out real good, and plus it comes around the edge a little bit. So hopefully that'll help stop it from peeling in the future. Okay, so we'll mount the bow tie back in. It goes this way, yeah. Just snap it back into place. That looks pretty good. Okay, so now I see why they say to leave a 1/2 inch from where you mask it, so you can pull it off easier. This here has been a bugger trying to get this up. I think I got it now with a set of tweezers. There we go. There, just about got her. There. I'm happy with that. Okay, so I got the rear bow tie done. So we'll peel the excess off. Okay guys, this is the finished product. I just did the two badges on the front. But anyway, the rear bow tie, it turned out good. Very simple to do. Anyways, fairly simple, and I like the way it turned out. Anyway guys, we'll catch you in the next one.